Welcome. In this video, we're diving into one of the simplest but most useful features on the X app, reposting a video post right from your PC. Whether you're sharing a funny clip, an important update, or a creative moment you loved, reposting helps boost engagement and keeps your timeline active. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your timeline where you can scroll through the latest posts from the people you follow. Take your time to find the video you want to repost. This could be something trending, something meaningful, or just something that made you laugh. When you find that video, look just below the post. You'll see several icons there, one for commenting, one for liking, and the one we're looking for. The repost icon. It looks like two arrows forming a square or loop. Hover over it, and you'll notice two options appear. Click on the repost icon. A small menu will appear with two choices, repost and quote. Quote allows you to add your own thoughts above the video, but if you just want to share the exact post as it is, click on repost. Once you click it, the video instantly appears on your profile and will be visible to your followers as if it were your own post. You'll see a little green label or confirmation that says reposted, which means it's done successfully. From that moment, anyone scrolling through your profile or feed can see and interact with that video the same way they would with the original post. And that's it, just a few quick clicks, and you've shared someone else's content effortlessly. With this new update on the X app for PC, reposting is faster, smoother, and more intuitive than ever before. Keep exploring, keep sharing, and let your timeline stay alive with the videos that inspire you the most.